morning. It is April 27 today. Today is Biel and Papa's fun run or marathon. Ayan sila. So, sa Mississauga yung takbo nila today. Kaya ayan, sasama kami as a support. Stick ba yan? Oo, didikit ka damit niya. Tingin! Guys, getting ready na sila. Getting ready. Good morning po! Good morning po.
Hi, si Tita. Good morning, Tita. Hello.
Kumusta?
Let's join? Opo. Good morning po, Tita.
Bless you.
Mga
Hello. Thank you.
first time. First time po pala nilang para. Tara.
Yung tag niya.
Hindi pa po. Yung pin po na sa akin. Sige. Okay. Sige po.
Dito. Ay, doon kayo.
Guys, ayan na sila. Tumugo. Sorry na.
Next.
Paganan ba, te? Te, paganan. Baka mag-iit, diba? Patingin pa.
O, picture ko muna kayo dun pa. Kayo
Bel,
lahat.
patingin. Wow. Bakit wala sa gitna? Uy, 2 minutes na lang doon na. Mamaya mag-picture pagkatapos. Bye-bye. Good luck!
Bye!
Good luck!
Tama na sila.
Mga 80 kilometers per hour ako.
Alalaya mo si Tito pa. Baka bumulag.
Pasibel ah! Pasabayin mo na lang. So, ayan guys. Antayin na natin sila. Ayan tayo.
I like this year is better than
Malapit pa si Papa. Okay.
Race with a good run here today, and Matt
Patra ko kay
Benton. Gotta go, Matt. Quarantine.
Asan na daw sila?
Congratulations
Check
on
mo.
your efforts here today. Then
Si Harry pala.
from
nakikita ko na si Papa. Yun na! Wow! Go pa!
Ala na si Biel! Biel! Wow!
Wow! Ang galing mag-isa lang.
Wow!
Biel! Biel!
Punta natin si Nabiel, guys. Wow! Congrats! Ang galing! Congrats! Wow! Congrats! Good job! So, ayan guys, tapos na sila Biel. I'm proud of you, bro! You're so great! You did great!
Biel! Biel!
Ano kami? Free energy drink. We're going to square one, guys. Ay, sarap ang init. Ito ang square one, guys. Wow! So big. Ang Hudson's Bay. So, closing na rin talaga sila. Send lang ako ng picture kay Gab. Dito na kami, guys, sa Food Central. Food court lang ng Square One. Tapos mayroon ding Sephora. Oh my gosh. At Sephora, guys. Oh, there's the perfume. Habang nasa CR pa sina Papa. Wow! Mukhang walang Givenchy, boy. Wala nga ata. been craving this since day one. Okay, let's try it. Mmm. 8 out of 10. Wait, no. 9.5 out of 10. This is really good.
9.5 out of 10?
Yeah. Tastes good.
What could it be better?
I don't know. Probably ramen or something, like really good ramen.
Oh.
But it's still better.
What?
This is the highest rating.
Really?
Yeah. Tastes
Would you
good.
have it every day?
Huh?
Would you have it every day?
Of course. Would you?
I have this every day.
Tastes good.
That's good, yeah.
Do you always order this?
Huh?
Do you always order this the most?
Yeah, this.
Yes? Hi guys! So ayan.
Too big.
Kuha tayo na ito. Tapos ito ang chicken. PFK.
Oh my god.
Wow! We are now here at the cosmetics sale.
Begging to get that.
Ito. The only extra I want is extra money. Ayan na tayo guys. So yeah, let's go guys. Ano to, di ba? Parang dito ka maglalagay. Yeah. So they have press-on nails. Let's get this one. 202. Meron silang mga lotion. Anti-aging cleanser, Papa, oh. If you want me to compute. Ito rin, oh, may mga hydration sunscreen. Soothing cleansing oil. Pwede. Makeup. So, kuha tayo ng dalawa. This one is, yan, meron ng healing lotion, petroleum. Ayan ang mga perfume, guys. So, let's go straight to the perfume. Yan, meron silang mga ganyan. Ito, meron ako nito sa Philippines. This one. Ni Cheska.
Ito L'Oreal Low Age Perfect.
Ayan, bibili si Cubs ng makeup sa kanyang mommy. Mamay.
Tita. Ito tita.
Ayan ang cover girl, guys. Oh no. They also have Maybelline Master Chrome. Pigments. Grabe, babe. Oh my gosh. Yan, let's test this one natin. This one na shade 202. Yan. Bronzer. Ito. They also have bronzer here. Concealer. Okay, so let's smell this one. Yan, they have these. They also have that one. Meron silang gentleman. Pero, EDT lang. Ito naman yung for women. Ito yung for men. Ang dami.
Yeah.
Meron silang box and unbox. Ito guys, meron naman silang mga ganyan. Ito, Givenchy 130. Meron silang Hugo Boss na box. Wait lang, hanap ako. Ito. Ah, Want to eat.
One more.
They also have testers. Yan, malulobat na ako, but yeah, I'm just gonna smell some perfumes. Ito meron silang mga Middle Eastern fragrances. Bili nila guys, puro mga clothes.